you to speak of clear and light, my little black baby, as the years roll by, I want you to walk with your head held high. I want you to live by the justice code. I want you to walk down freedom's road, my little black baby. Oh, lie awake, asleep, lie awake safe in my arms. Mommy and Daddy will protect you and keep you safe from all harm, my little black baby. I feel so glad we'll have things that Mom never had, and out of men's hearts all hate is gone. You're going to live in a better land, my